All right, please excuse the state of our kitchen. Hello, Lucky. This is as far as I've gotten. I've been working for a few hours. I started by building a box shaped like a pentagon. And it's pretty accurate. Not perfect because me, human error. Inside, I made a support for these wires. These wires are going to be built up with aluminum foil, and I was hoping to make them more posable, but I'm going to build these up with aluminum foil and then paper mache over that, and they won't really be bendable, but hopefully I can like rotate them maybe if I need to. So these are going to be Rocky's 5 legs or arms. Lucky's like, yeah, whatever. You made a big mess in the kitchen, human. Feed me. Peace. Rocky the Eridian, and I'm trying to make him look rocky, but you know what? I don't think I used the right stuff because this is coming right off. I might have to scrape this off and start over. It's supposed to be Rocky's belly. If I paint over it and then the paint gets... Well, this is an experiment, and this part of it is a fail. I'm going to take as much of the texture off as possible and try to find some other substance that will create a rock-like texture. Because I want this to be amazing. Peace. Alright, so I tried something different to make Rocky look more rocky. And I am a lot happier with this than I am with the ceiling texture. The ceiling texture is still on Rocky's belly, and it still kind of chips off and it's chalky. But look, Rocky's starting to look like Rocky. So, check this out. And then, hopefully, when Rocky is dry, and his shirt is dry, I could put his shirt on him. This is a polyester fleece fabric pullover, and I dyed it with watered down acrylic paint. And because it's not a porous fabric, it's actually really wet. And if I wring it out, all the color will leave out because it's not porous, so it doesn't stay. So we're just gonna air dry it. until it's completely dry. And then hopefully I could put it on Rocky, and Rocky will be ready for action. Yay! I love Rocky. Rocky will be able to do jazz hands and fist bump. Bump. Fist my bump. Peace. Hey y'all. So this is Rocky. Rocky the Eridian. Rocky's naked. Also, I'm having to do some touch-up. I did this ceiling texture and it keeps scraping off, so I gotta touch that up. Also, I broke one of his legs. But here he is. Let's put his shirt on. Check it out. It's Rocky the Eridian from Project Hail Mary with jazz hands. Yay! I had so much fun building this life-size model. With my limited skill set and materials, this is about as good as it's going to get. Thank you so much, Andy Weir, for writing this fantastic story. Makes me happy, happy, happy. Amaze. Peace. Fist my bump.